Hey everybody, Matt Stinchcomb here on set of Xmark's Game Day headquarters. Nothing will help you or me score more party host cred points than offering our guests interactive games and activities that they can physically take part in during downtimes, half times, or lopsided blowouts. While store-bought outdoor games and activities are awesome additions to any sports party setup, there are a number of equally entertaining games and activities that can be made from scratch with the help of a few family members or friends. In today's Done in a Weekend Game Day tip, I'm going to walk you through a football toss build that'll enable you to do just that. Everybody coming over to your place to watch the big game is going to love it, and you can bet it'll be as easy on your wallet as it is your carpentry skills. Let's get started. Capable of being constructed in any size and out of virtually any materials you prefer, the freestanding toss wall we're going with for this project measures 8 feet high, 4 feet wide, and 4 feet deep. The materials you'll need: 1 sheet of 1/2-inch plywood, 5 8-foot 2x4s, 1 10-foot 2x4, circular saw, jigsaw, power drill with Phillips head bit, extension cord, 1 box of 1-inch number 10 decking screws, a small box of 1/4-inch galvanized screws, nuts, and washers, tape measure, exterior paint, and a paintbrush or roller will be included, along with step-by-step build instructions as a downloadable PDF at xmark.com/college for reference when constructing your own. We've decided to chronicle this project the same way we did with our outdoor kitchen, so sit back and enjoy the start-to-finish construction of our football toss wall in time-lapse. One of the cool things about this project is that you can paint the finished product to give props to your favorite team. It's also an opportunity for your friends or kids to get in on the action.
Red 80! Red 80! Go!
That's a touchdown. That's what I'm talking about, boys. I hope you'll incorporate this interactive game into your sports gathering space. It'll help your guests put their skills to the test and themselves into the spotlight. Be sure to check out xmark.com/college for more game day tips. Until next time, get outside and into the game.